Good morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss next topic in chapter 4. The name of topic is features or nature or characteristics of planning. So here we can see a diagram is made with 7 points. Just let's study the points. Planning contributes to objectives. Planning function of management. Primary function of management. Pervasive. Planning is futuristic. Continuous. Planning involves decision making. And last, planning is a mental exercise. So here 7 points are given in this topic: features, nature or characteristics of planning. Before this, I have discussed meaning and definition of planning. Simply, planning means thinking about future, or we can say thinking in advance or looking ahead. Also, we had discussed a definition given by Kuntz and O'Neill. So just study meaning and definition of planning. Here next we will discuss what are the features or characteristics or also nature. So planning contributes to objective. Simple. It is written planning starts with the determination, means finding of objectives. We cannot think of planning in absence of objective. After selecting up objectives, planning decides the method, procedure and steps to be taken for achievement of objectives. So it means planning is done for making objectives, because whenever we are starting any work, planning must be done before any work. So for making objectives, planning is needed. As we know, objectives are the main things in management. So for objectives, planning is needed. Second, primary function. As I have told yesterday in yesterday's video, planning is the first or primary function of management. Simply, it is written here. As we know, there are 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Among them, planning is the first function. So planning is done at number 1 point. So planning is the primary or first function to be performed by every manager. After planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling functions are performed. So planning always remains at number 1 or top position as compared to other functions. Simple. Both the points are easy. Planning helps in making objectives. Also, planning is the first function. Third, pervasive. Pervasive, just remember the meaning of pervasive. Dictionary meaning of pervasive is everywhere, or in Hindi we can say sarvyapi. Means planning is done everywhere. So same is written here. Planning is everywhere. Planning is required at all levels. As we know in management there are 5 levels. There are 3 levels: top, middle and lower. So planning is done at top level, middle level and lower level also. Same are written here, and all types of organization. So every kind of organization at every level planning is needed. So we can say planning is everywhere or it is pervasive. Next, point 4, planning is futuristic, or we can say planning is forward looking, because planning is done for future only. It is never done for past and present. Same is written. Planning always means looking ahead, means looking forward. Planning is never done for past. So planning is forward looking or always futuristic function. So we have discussed 4 points out of 7. 3 are remaining. I am going to discuss them also. Wait for a while. Here is the 5th point. Planning is continuous. Continuous means never ending. Yes, at every time we have to do planning in our life. We do lots of planning. So planning is a never ending or continuous process. Simple. Planning is continuous means planning never ends. Point number 6, planning involves decision making. Yes, usually planning is done when we are having many options or many choices and we have to select one option among them. So planning always done for decision making. That's true. Point number 6, planning involves decision making. It is written, the planning function is needed only when different alternatives, mean choices or options are available and we have to select most suitable alternative among them. So planning is done for decision making. Last, point number 7, planning is a mental exercise. Because planning is always done by mind. So it is a mental exercise. Planning is a mental process which requires higher thinking. This activity requires high level of intelligence. So it is right to call planning as an intellectual process. Intellectual means related with mind. So planning is always done with mind. So it is an intellectual, or we can say planning is a mental exercise. So I have discussed all 7 points in the topic nature, characteristics or feature of planning. It is important topic, just try to learn it. You can write yourself also. It's a very simple topic as well. So आप बना के भी लिख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन का आंसर. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.